want to earn extra money from the comfort of your home? Look no further. In this video, we will introduce you to a fantastic option that allows you to earn $384 online every day. There is a simple way to make money on Pinterest by following these steps. By completing each step as shown in this tutorial, you can potentially go viral forever. One of the most important things to do is to start by looking at some of these sample accounts that receive millions of views each month. Welcome back to Jum Talks. Let's take our tour into the best online money-making methods ever. If you would like to make an extra income with less effort, this video is for you. So let's begin. On average, these guys receive millions of views. However, let's say you receive 1 million views per month and your conversion rate is 0.1%. This means that not even 1% of your viewers will convert, and you sell a $9 product. That's already $9,000 a month, or around $384 every day. Step 1, you can now simply go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of the top 10 most popular Pinterest niches at the moment. After that, you can go to trends.pinterest.com and filter by the US to see what is trending in the US at the moment. You may then look for specific keywords in trends.pinterest.com that ChatGPT has suggested. Now, I want to draw your attention to something extremely important. Most beginners have this viewpoint, and the main reason they fail is because they blame the algorithm for their low views and wait to get lucky or go viral. However, the top Pinterest users have an entirely different approach. They see themselves as humble servants to the public, providing value and creating amazing pins. They are certain that the market will appreciate their efforts. Step 2. The next step would be to really optimize your Pinterest account, which you can do by simply visiting Pinterest.com, clicking on your profile, and then selecting Edit Profile. However, I recommend adding something in your name that is related to the niche that you will be going with. Next, you just go back to ChatGPT and ask to create a brief Pinterest bio for you so that you can stand out. To create a profile photo, simply visit Leonardo AI, an AI tool that lets you create images using text. Click on Image Generation from this page, then use the bar to ask Leonardo AI to create a profile picture for a page discussing your niche. When discussing niches, it is crucial to remember to focus on a single niche. Those that do not target a specific niche receive fewer views. So, as I told you earlier, remember to focus on a single niche. If you're stuck on what to create, check your ChatGPT for video ideas that will appeal to your target audience. As previously determined, selling a digital product for $9 is required to earn $384 a day. Therefore, you can generate a digital product entirely free within Canva. Go to Canva and look for a template that suits your needs. However, if you are unsure what to sell in this type of niche, you should just check your ChatGPT. You can ask, what kind of digital product could I sell to this kind of person based on the previous topics? So for this video, I'll be making a guide as an example. After completing the creation of the guide, simply click the share button and select Download. Step 3. You may sell it through an online marketplace like Gumroad, where you can register for an account for free and then upload your products to Gumroad directly from your profile. It just costs nothing. But don't just start selling straight from your Pinterest account. That would be a huge mistake that will cost you time and money since it won't work or convert. So come, let's make it work. Thanks to tools like SEO Writing AI, you can now create an AI blog post. There are many of these tools available, and the majority of them are completely free. However, for this task, I recommend using SEO Writing AI. So all you have to do is click on the blog post option, go back to the ideas that ChatGPT provided, and copy the first one as an example. Then go to SEO Writing, paste the main keyword, and click Run. The entire blog post will now be generated for you. While the article is being generated, you can visit medium.com to publish these articles. And the reason I'm doing it this way is that I'm now receiving visitors from the Medium as well, making 3 distinct platforms. By doing the same thing, you can essentially optimize your revenue. Simply copy the Gumroad link for your digital product and paste it between paragraphs to increase the likelihood that someone will click it while reading your blog post. And of course, increase the likelihood that they will purchase the product. Now, click Publish to publish it here on Medium and receive traffic from this platform. Step 4. Return to your Pinterest account now and select Create a Pin. You can now start posting useful pins that will drive traffic to our blog post. Basically, you would make these kinds of promotional designs easily, and then you would just post them on Pinterest. So, let's see how to do this. Because the blog post is what we are really promoting, and the blog post itself is promoting a digital product, you could simply go to Canva and create a new design. First, search for Pinterest templates and create a promo design with the same title that we have on the blog article. However, once you're done creating your design here on Canva, click Share and simply download it. Now, go back to your Pinterest account where you started posting that pin, and I will just replace this image. Yes, you must also share the link, which is going to take people to your blog article on Medium. You can even attract the correct audience by writing a brief description with relevant keywords. By doing this, you are not spamming individuals with links to digital products, but rather, you are generating income in the same way as others, which is evidently quite effective for them. Thank you for hanging on till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Let's meet again with another interesting video. Good luck to you!